Okay, here, Guillermo Perez reporting for Tecnológico de Monterrey, Campus Santa Fe. We've been told we're going to have the chance to interview a Mexican character coming from the dead. Here we come, Ojitos.
Tell me, what's your name?
My name is Jose Maria Morelos y Pavón.
Where were you born?
I was born in the state of Valladolid, which is now the state of Morelos, due to me.
What were you?
I was a religious and a politician, and I also was a military strategist for the independence movement in 1810.
So you said you were religious, why is this?
Because in 1797, I was promoted to a priest. I was 32 at the time.
What did you do before the independence movement?
Well, before the independence movement in 1796, I got an offer from a priest of Uruapan, which wanted me to teach kids grammar and rhetoric learning in the same town.
So when did you enter the independence movement?
I entered the independence movement in 1810, but I took leadership in 1811 after the death of my good friend, the priest Miguel Hidalgo.
What was your main goal?
My main goal was to set freedom and equality throughout the rights and to have equality for all the Mexican citizens.
How did you accomplish it?
Through the Congress of Chilpancingo in 1813, which set the basis for the liberal and democratic constitution.
Joined the independence movement.
I joined it because my friend priest Miguel Hidalgo died and the movement needed a leadership.
How was your military campaign?
My military campaign lasted about 5 years, and well, I was a very recognized strategist, so I had a lot of work to do, and I fought even though the odds of the Spaniards were much bigger than mine.
How was your first military campaign?
My first military campaign was pretty well organized, it was well armed, and it was a big troop. I led them to the coast of Acapulco, but couldn't succeed with taking it.
Thank you, Ojitos. What an splendid character. So thank you for your attention and see you. Have a nice weekend.